Good morning, children. I think all of you have studied all the points that we have discussed in our previous class. Okay, do you know what is a Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane means there will be two axes, one x-axis and y-axis, and the x-axis and y-axis dividing the plane into four equal parts. Four parts are called four quadrant. Okay, and today we are going to discuss some problems. First question, write the coordinates of the points. Write the coordinates of the points, and the points are given here. It is x, x dash, y, y dash, and here the positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Here positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, like that. And it is the origin. 4 points are given here: A, B, C. The point C is here, and D. We need to write the coordinates of these 4 points. Here coordinates of A. How can we write the coordinates of A? The point A is on x-axis. Then how can we write the coordinates of this point? How can we write? Here we can see the x coordinate. X coordinate is 4. And what about the y coordinates? Is there any y coordinates? It is on the x-axis, so we can't see any y coordinates there. Then if there is no y coordinates, what will be the value? 0. Okay, so the coordinates of point 4A is 4, 0. And how can we write the coordinates of point B? This point B is on y-axis. Then how can we say the coordinates? Here x coordinates 0. It is on the y-axis, so there is no x coordinate. So the point will be 0, 0, 3. And here it is on the x-axis, so at the point negative 4, so minus 4, and y coordinate will be 0. And here the y coordinate is negative 3, and x coordinate, it is on the y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0. So 0, negative 3. So the coordinate of point A is A0, B is 0, 3, and C is negative 4, 0, D is 0, negative 3. So if a point is on x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0, and if a point is on y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. Okay, so we can derive an equation for x-axis and y-axis from here. The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, and the equation of y-axis is x-axis x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means the y-axis. Y equal to 0 means the x-axis. Okay, and what about the origin? What will be the coordinates of this origin? Here, what is the y coordinates? It is 0. And what about the x coordinate? That also 0. So the coordinates of origin is 0, 0. That is, here the x coordinate and y coordinate 0. Therefore, the coordinate 0, 0. And next problem. question is plot the following ordered pairs. Plot the following pairs of ordered pairs of numbers. Ordered pairs of numbers. Pairs of numbers x, y on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Then the x, y values are given. -3, 7, 0, 0, 3, -1, -3, and next point 4, 4. These are the points, and we need to plot these points on the Cartesian plane. So to plot this point on the Cartesian plane, first we have to draw the plane, that is the x-axis and y-axis. Origin, it is x, x dash, y, y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Here we have y coordinate 7. So we need to mark the values up to 7. Then it will be easy. Then first x coordinates is -3 and y coordinate is 7. Okay, so -3, 7. So we need to take a point -3. It is -3 and 7 on the y axis. It is 7. So we need to draw perpendicular line like this. So it is the point -3, 7. Okay, and next point is 0, 3. X coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0 means it will be on the y axis. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 3. So this will be the point 0, 3. Next, -1, -3. X coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is -3. It is -3. So -1, -3. It is the point. Next, 4, 4. 4 means x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is also 4. X coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is also 4. It will be the point 4, 4. Okay, did you understand how to plot the points on a Cartesian plane? We can discuss one more question. The table is given. Negative 2, 8, negative 1, 7, 0, negative 1, 1, 3, and 3, negative 1. This is the question. We need to plot this point on a Cartesian plane. Okay. Y-axis, y dash, and x-axis. X dash. So here we need to plot the points up to 8. So on the x-axis we need to take the points up to 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay, and the first point is negative 2, 8. First point is negative 2, 8. Negative 2 means on the x-axis you need to take negative 2 and on y-axis 8. So negative 2 is here and 8. So we can draw. It is negative 2, 8. Next, negative 1, 7. Negative 1 is on the x-axis and 7 on y-axis. So 7, negative 1. It is negative 1, 7. Okay, then 0, negative 1. On the x-axis 0 and y-axis negative 1. X-axis 0 means on the y-axis negative 1. Negative 1. It is 0, negative 1. Then 1, 3. X-axis. On the x-axis we need to take 1 and y-axis 3. So it is 1, 3. Then 3 minus 1. And on the x-axis it is 3 and on y-axis negative 1. So this will be the point. 3, negative 1. Okay, very simple. It is very simple to plot the points on a Cartesian plane. I think it is clear, and you have to solve some more question in your notebook. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.